since the last video. But we ended up building the front end for the truck. I wrecked the truck, and so we put a whole brand new front end and a bumper and skid plate and all that on it. Yeah, that bumper hugs the truck pretty good. And we painted it back to the same color, but used a gold pearl that turned the whole thing like an army green almost. Finished up all the trim pieces. All the lights work, everything works on it now. That's the truck, that's what's happened since the last video. Alright, so we've got the Chevelle just about done in the back here. Got all the sheet metal work done. 10-inch subwoofer, 6x9, 6x9. There's a couple panels that go up there with a light and a tweeter in it. And then got all this stuff here all done, this whole sheet metal done. Got mounting points for the woofer, not the woofer, but the amplifier that's going in. And then all up underneath the box is attached to the body so it doesn't rattle. Everything's all attached really good. That's my speaker box. And then the tank goes right in here. We're getting ready to put the tank in. I got all the attachment points for the battery there. Attachment points for a second battery over there so we can add weight over the tires. And next is the fuel cell. To be continued. Okay, we got a whole steering stabilizer set up on the front of this Sur Ron now. Set of custom risers to raise it all up. So that's the steering stabilizer, steering dampener for it. And then we have way too big of tires and an upset dog. Way too big of tires on here that you guys normally don't see on the Sur Ron. With big old fat 250 millimeter brakes in the front, 250 millimeter brakes in the back, and another big old fat tire that barely fits on there. It's a 325, I believe it is. With that little spacer in there, it locates the tire in the center of the swing arm, and with the bigger tire, it really helps to get rid of any other offset. So yeah, that's what's been done on the Sur Ron. Okay, this is my P-Pump 5.9 Cummins that's for a future project. I got a C10 I'm going to put together. And that's a motor that's going to get built. And then next to it we have the Chevelle motor. It's an all aluminum Bill Mitchell block. It's a 573. Ought to be fun for the Chevelle. And then next to that, we have the old Chevelle motor, which was the 502, which is now a 510. And it's 10 3/4 to 1 compression. It's good for gas, regular pump gas. It's good for 600 horsepower reliably. And then next to that, we have John Henry's motor. That's the Mopar engine. That's a 540-inch motor. 12.5 to 1 compression, and she built a little spicy. Yeah, she's gonna run pretty good. Well, anyways, that's the motor collection.
I've got an insatiable appetite for life, and I want more, more, more.
So sweet.